Hi, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today I want to talk to you about the Truxedo Truxport on a Toyota Tacoma. Now what this is, I like to consider this one of the better values or best bang for the buck. You're looking for a cover. You don't have a ton of money to spend, but you want a good quality cover. This is it. The reason this one I consider one of the better values, and I'm going to go into that right now, is how it works and what it's made of. So we're going to talk about a few things. Again, this is a Truxport, and this is a Toyota Tacoma crew cab with a 5-foot bed. Now, the opening of this is actually quite simple. The little levers here. Now, the first thing I want to do is these are spring loaded. What is the benefit of a spring? Well, it pulls it nice and tight. When you go here to close it, it's going to pull it. See how it's doing that right there? Look at that. Like a drum. Like a tight that pulls it. Now, not all of them get that. Some just get some you have to adjust with a screw. But this one with the spring, it's going to pull it nice and tight. And you don't even see there's a support system underneath here. You don't see it. It's totally flat. And I really like that look. So let's go back here to open this up again. Now, what's nice about this, and you want to have a cover that gives you full access to the bed. Now, here's your support system, which you did not see, but it is there. And that's nice if you got a lot of water sitting on here, or if you live up north, you got snow, it won't sink into the bed. Now, as I pull this back here, you're going to see the hardware that's holding this. It does use the existing factory cargo management system. You're not putting holes in here. It's using this, which is actually bolted into the vehicle. So this is going to hold it. Watch this here. How is that for tight? All right, great setup. I do like that they do that. Now we come all the way back here. I want you to take a really good look. Is you don't lose any of the bed. You got a 5-foot bed. You don't want to give up any space. Now, sometimes on the tri-folds, you fold it once, you fold it twice, it stops right here. That means you lose 1/3 of your 5-foot bed. You don't want to give up any space. This cover lets you have full access. You're going to put that all-terrain vehicle, your motorcycle, or you're just moving, and you need all that space. You got it. Now, you have a nice little system here. You basically, as you can see, this wraps around here, locks in place. There's a left and a right, obviously, and that will hold it in place while you're driving. You don't have to worry about it coming loose. Now, what's nice about a rolling cover, since everything is bolted down, I know people talked about folding covers blowing off. This will never do that. The way this is connected, it cannot come off. As you can see here, it's not going anywhere. So you got a great cover, gives you full access that you don't have to worry about coming off on you. Now the vinyl they're using is a marine grade. Now I live here in Florida, and if you don't get a UV protected vinyl cover, it just doesn't last. And the manufacturer likes their product so much, and they believe in the product, they're going to give everyone who buys this cover gets a 5-year manufacturer warranty. That's a great warranty. A lot of these covers give you one. I mean, 5 years is terrific. And the main reason is because it's a better quality materials. And that's the key here. I don't like to sell the cheap vinyls down here in Florida because they just don't last. You know, you get a year or two in there, and then you're out there buying another one. You're like, well, I saved $100. You didn't save any money. You're buying a new one after 2 years. That's not saving money. This is going to last a long time. It's a good quality product. It looks good. It functions good. Got a good warranty. And if we do the installation here at C&H, we're going to give you a full 1-year warranty on the labor, adjustments, stuff like that. Be honest with you, this thing is such a good quality product. You'll never take me up on my warranty, but it's there just in case. Also, if you like what you see with our videos, please hit that little like button. Of course, if you subscribe to the channel, you always get the latest video. And we do put up a new video pretty much every single day. So if you want to stay on top of all the latest products we're selling, and we try to get the newest stuff out there, and we try to show every vehicle with different products. Like, for example, we have a video with this on a Chevy. But we didn't have this video on a Toyota. If you own a Toyota, you're like, well, would that look good on my truck? Well, yes, it looks really good. Take a look. I mean, how's that for a good looking cover? Here is a cover that functions good, looks good, got a great warranty. All in all, just a wonderful purchase for you. And if you like this and you want to buy this, guess what? You can call us up or go into our website and we can get this for you. Or how about coming to our showroom and do a little shopping there as well? As you can see, we do have a brick and mortar store. I know a lot of places online are selling out of some guy's garage. That's not us. We have a store. We have a showroom. You have actual people you can talk to. I actually prefer when people call me up on the phone, because when they're ordering something, I can make sure they get the best product that they're asking for. Sometimes they'll call and want something but that's not the best product, I will spend the time with them, make sure they get the right product. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Thank you.